Hi, welcome to Module 2 of the Peanut Butter Production course. And in this module, we're going to be talking about peanut butter processing techniques. So, the first thing in processing peanut butter is to source and prepare your peanuts. Make sure that you're selecting high quality, dry, roasted peanuts or raw peanuts from reputable suppliers. So, you could get raw peanuts and then roast them, or you could just go for dry roasted peanuts if that's available from your end. Also, you have to also make sure that they're of high quality because this will also affect the quality of the peanut butter at the end of the day. Next thing, if you went with raw peanuts, is to roast them. Now, roasting helps to enhance the flavor and texture. It also helps to activate the oils that are in these nuts, and so that when you're blending, it would actually yield the creamy texture that you're going for. This is not to say that if you did not roast it, you cannot still get peanut butter, but just roasting will really help to get you to the finish line faster. Then some methods also for roasting include the oven roasting, where you use an oven, dry roasting, where you just roast over a pan, or you could use an industrial roaster, sorry. And then the roasting times and temperatures are usually at your own discretion for the best flavor, but I would advise that you do maybe for an oven, you could use 35 degrees Celsius at for just maybe 10 minutes. For dry roasting, just make sure that you're turning it so that it does not burn easily, so it doesn't burn. So just make sure that you're just keeping an eye on it and turning it. Just about 10 to 5 minutes, you should be good with that. The next thing after roasting your peanuts is to grind it. Grind and blend the peanuts. Grinding the peanuts into a smooth or creamy or crunchy texture using food processors, grinders, or commercial machines is very needed for this process, because I mean that's what is actually going to turn the nuts into the butter. So you just keep grinding. Make sure that you're using a very good food processor, and then it would actually start out with a crunchy texture, but afterwards it would move into the creamy texture that you're trying to get to. This blending is for texture consistency and also for oil extraction. Then you could add flavors, so you could customize your peanut butter with sweeteners, with salt, or flavorings like honey, chocolate, cinnamon. Also, some people might want to add a stabilizer to it, so that the oils do not separate when the product has settled for a long time. But these stabilizers are actually responsible for trans fats, so you might want to do away with them if you're trying to go for a healthy snack or a healthy product. Also, you can balance the flavor. Remember to balance the flavor while maintaining what a creamy texture. So make sure that the flavorings that you're putting in, they go very well with the nutty flavor of peanut butter. We have come to the end of module 2, and I have an activity for you. Compare the advantages and disadvantages of using a food processor versus an industrial grinder for making peanut butter. Which would you recommend for scaling up production? I look forward to seeing your answers in the comment section, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section also. Bye for now. See you in module 3.